Jotije 250 e sekta mar limbe oyudo ber mar tiegruok madhi nyime kaunti ma Kisii magaito chiwo puonj makare kod ng'eyo mathoth e weche limbe e bwo chenro mosir kod riwruok moro ma pacho kae. Chenro no obagi e kar tiegruok mar funde ma Kisii kama jochiw puonj wuok e sektas bura nyaka Manyanza. Jogo moseyudo tiegruok koro dwaro ni sirikal omed goyo gi jek kendo ochiw sir mar chako yaro yuto margi.
Today? No. Should stop it today?
No.
Okay, good. Now we are here shortly. Sasa nyinyi tunataka kusikia vile mnasema.
Tumefurahia sana na mafunzo, tumejiongezea kile chenye tulikuwa tunajua, tumejiongezea, kuna wengine tumepata yenye hatukuwa tunajua. Na kwa hivyo tunashukuru sana.
We've learned a lot and we added to our professionalism. This forum will enable us and equip us with the relevant skills that we need in handling guests in our hotel to boost our tourism in the country. We need to be professional, we need to be competitive.
This program we are running pursuant to requests from the industry. They have been requesting that we offer practical training on upskilling, and we are happy that the TVETA also has come up with the RPL program, recognition of prior learning, under CBET, and that's what we are doing. We are building the capacity and ensure that those students who are those workers in the industry who didn't have certification or basic training obtain the skills so that they offer good quality services in the industry.